Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, you've guessed it, we're in downtown Cape of Paphos somewhere, and we're going to go and do a little special video for some very special people. But before we start, I'd like to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the entire world, Miss Archie Graslivia LeBouf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. Today is a most especially for you video. Miss Angela, Mr. Bruce, especially for you. Just
Right, stick with her. Stick with us. Angela, Bruce, Pear Tree, we're going to take you on a little walk. I'm going to show you where we're going to start off because this is the main hotel road. Okay, so that's where the hotel starts up there and it works all its way down here. That's the Amarby Hotel. That's the Alexander the Great Hotel. And if you keep going, you'll end up on the promenade. We're going to take a little right and we're going to walk up here and we're going to show you where your great hotel is, the Paphos Gardens, in proximity to all the other hotels, so you know exactly where you are when you arrive. And we're going to share with you some of the restaurants along the way, starting off with Billy's Restaurant. There it is. So on the left hand side now we've got Billy's Restaurant, a great restaurant, and I remember eating a nice dinner there. We sat actually on that table with the wonderful Miss Michelle and Pete, all the way from Newcastle. Do you remember that, Graslivia?
I remember. Pete and Shell, how
Pete and
are
Shell.
you? I hope you're all right. We missed you already. Come back.
Yeah, come back. And in fact, they were staying at the Paphos Gardens Hotel, which is a Leptos resort, if you understand. I'm watching for traffic behind me because otherwise we're going to get run over, and we are trying to show you the restaurants and the bars on both sides of the road. So over here we've got the Ibis Safari Place, and they've got a restaurant bar, and they do live music every Friday and every Saturday night. Across the road you've got an Indian restaurant, a very nice restaurant indeed. And coming up on the left hand side now you've got the Les Amis restaurant, which is getting ready for the dinner service tonight. There it is on the left hand side, have a look at that. It's got a la carte menu, and on top of that it's got a set menu, and the set menu price is $22.95, and as you can see you can choose from a variety of starters, main courses and desserts. Looks like a very nice restaurant indeed. There he is, there's the head chef. You all right? Are you getting ready to be busy tonight? You'll be packed out. Exactly. He's fully booked tonight, which is a good thing. We are in the middle of peak season, and then next door to that is the Maharaja Indian restaurant.
You know what is Maharaja?
Tell us, Graslivia.
I think it's one of the towns in India.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not that educated on Indian cuisine either. It looks like
it's the name of the town of India.
Right, there we are. I'm sure Mr. Ian will look that up on Google and inform us as to what it actually means. No, who knows? Ian will correct us, that's for sure. Over here you've got the Michael's Tavern. There it is. They're getting ready for a busy night tonight. And, well, they're going to be busy because obviously we understand there are various hotels scattered around. But the hotel that we're going to, the hotel apartment complex, is a pretty big complex. So it's got some inner apartment complexes and then some outer townhouses and apartment complexes. So it's quite big. Just so you understand, we are now entering the area known as the Paphos Gardens. So stick with us as we have a little snoop around and we're going to see what's going on. We're going to storm the reception and pull the rear end of Graslivia LeBouf.
Hopefully we are not going to get stopped.
Hopefully we're not going to get stopped. Hopefully. There's the sign there that says Paphos Gardens. It's a Leptos resort. Normally we're quite lucky in the Leptos resorts, but we'll see what goes down as we storm that reception.
It's in the tree.
Graslivia LeBouf has seen a tree. There we go. There's a tree that's on the tilt, shall we say. It could be getting ready to fall down. Stick with us. It's quite a nice area, by the way. If you have a look round, just off the beaten track that little bit, 2 to 3 minutes walk to the main Pasidonis Avenue, or Hotel Avenue as we say, and then you are about 15 minutes, 20 minutes from the promenade area, and around about 25 to 30 minutes off the harbour area. So a very good location indeed. You can actually sneak out the back entrance, I know that, and creep your way down to Bar Street, or creep your way back from Bar Street if you've had a heavy night, should we say. Now, there's a sign gone from olden times. This is when it was carved into the rocks when the resort was first opened. Have a look at that. Very nicely done indeed. Leptos Paphos Gardens. So Sylvia?
It was an old version of it.
Yeah,
Version.
it's quite an old hotel. It's been here quite a long time. Obviously it's been refurbished as the years have gone on, but stick with us because we know that the reception area is very nice, and we understand that they will now be getting ready for dinner. So you never know, we might get to steal something on the way in or on the way out. You never know, stick with us. Here we go. So there's various little shops outside here. You've got a laundrette round the side, you've got a kiosk, so if you want to pop out for a bottle of milk or something like that, it's here. And if you want to hire bikes, there's a station here to hire bikes. And like I say, next door to that over here is where Dot Cotton hangs out. This is the laundrette area. Have a look at that. So if you've got a bit of dirty washing, that's where you would go. Right, we're now going to follow the rear end of Grisevia LaBouffe, and she is going to storm the main reception of the Paphos Gardens Hotel. Take it away, LaBouffe.
I can hear the music.
Stick with us. Here we go. Right. There we go. Wow, look at that. Absolutely spectacular. Beautiful. What a great reception. Nice and chilly, nice and airy. There's some guys having a game of pool. Have a look at that. Absolutely wonderful. You got a computer station. Let's follow the rear end of Grisevia LaBouffe. Look at that. And this is now the main dining area. Let's go and have a look, LaBouffe. That's the main dining area. Stick with us as we have a wander around and show you what's going on. So everyone's getting ready to have their evening meal, and we'd like to have a little wander. Let's have a look at that. You never know. There might be something we can steal. What do you say, Grisevia?
Some hot dishes up there.
Hot dishes? Let's have a look at that way. Let's have a look. There's the inner bar area. Ooh, look at this. This is looking tasty. Ooh, very nice. Grisevia, I think we should get a plate. Ooh, I like a nice bread roll, mate. Look at that. Let's have a look at that way. Let's have a look. Let's follow the rear end of Grisevia LaBouffe as she gives us a guided tour of the food that is on show. Wow, look at that. Chicken curry. Oof, lovely. Very nice indeed. Right, come on, Grisevia LaBouffe. Let's get out of the place before the manager shuts us down and decides that he wants to arrest us. Yes, that's absolute superstar. There is the cheese bar. Have a look at that. That's the cheese bar. That is for sure. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, don't move. We're going to get out. There we are. Look at that. This is the undercover terraced area where you can sit, have your breakfast, your lunch, you can wine and you can dine. And look at that for a swimming pool. Wow, that's a very nice pool indeed. Stick with us as we circumnavigate the perimeter of this resort, and we're going to just share with you the kiddies little pool that's just over there. And there is a children's playing area as well. Got a couple of spins and a couple of slides. Have a look at that, Grisevia.
How beautiful it is.
I think it's a really nice little quaint resort, and it's bang in the middle of everything, but yet it's just that little bit off the main road, so that keeps it that little bit more quiet. You've got a kids club over there, you've got some slides, you've got some bits and bobs going on, and you've got a kids fun area. Have a look at that. You've got a tennis court just over there. There's a lot of things going on in this resort, Grisevia.
Yeah, and the cat is sleeping on the table. Have a look.
There is, yes. There's a little Gumbaru. Stick with us. Let's just feature this Gumbaru. He's having a little snooze. There he is. Are you right, Gumbu? He says yes. I'm having a snooze in the shade, and I'm looking forward to a bit of dinner afterwards. Anyway, stick with us. We are now going to go and circumnavigate the pool. Hold on, Grisevia LaBouffe's popping in. She's going to go and see the Gumbaru. If anything, he matches your outfit, Miss Gumbo.
Nice.
Yes.
Should I put it here?
Drape him round your shoulders and he'll look like a fur.
Okay.
Right, come on, Grisevia. So far, the management haven't understood who we are. They just thought we were guests in some strange attire. So stick with us as we make our way around the rather nice pool area, and then we're going to exit the building. And of course, as tradition goes, we'll give you a very good goodbye indeed. Is it good? Yeah. Is it good? Yes. Yeah. Very good. Right, stick with us as we circumnavigate the pool area. I'll follow your rear end, Grisevia LaBouffe, whichever way you want to go. Remember, Gresivia LaBouffe's navigation is not very good, but we'll try and see which way she's going to take us. I think they've had a busy day today, Gresivia LaBouffe. Have a look at that. That is back into the lounging area. There's a reception area. There's some of the balconies and some of the terraces. Stick with us as we go out and find some more pool tables and the live performance area. Gresivia LaBouffe has come to a standstill.
You know, it's quite a nice atmosphere. Actually, you could have a dinner and watch the pool area. And the pool, I'm more than sure, at night time are with lights. Around here is not too bad. Some of the rooms overlooking the pool, some of the rooms are, shall we say, the inland view, but it's nice. Right,
stick with us as we exit the rear entrance. There is a little bit of music playing in the background, so we may have to do a bit of running, so stick with us. Gresivia LaBouffe, squeeze your rear end through there. That way, we're trapped. There we go. As usual, we're all trapped. Stick with us, we're going to fight our way around. They've got a kiddies area over here again. If you've got a Euro, pop it in that one or that one, and you've got some pool tables and some air football, and that is where watching Gresivia. Hold on, she's found something. Go on, LaBouffe, in you get. Have you got a Euro?
I'm very tall.
Right, stick with us. There's a bit of music playing in the background, so I'll talk a little bit louder. Gresivia LaBouffe, let's exit the building. Shall we have a bit of a dance? Here we go. There she goes. Who says we don't bring a bit of fun and excitement to some of our videos, that's for sure. Gresivia LaBouffe, did you enjoy your little tour?
Lovely. I should say that this apartment, hotel apartments and whole hotel is very nice. Even the food was lovely. Very, very nice.
There we go. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please hit that like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. Angela, Bruce, you're going to have a great time. It's a great place with a great vibe, and it's only 5 minutes to Bar Street, 5 minutes to the main Hotel Avenue, and 15 minutes to the Cato Paphos Promenade.
And this is how it looks.
And that's the entrance to the main reception. A very grand entrance indeed. Sylvia?
I would like to tell you all thank you for watching. I personally enjoyed the walk around it. The children, the people, all people and staff looking very happy. I wish you all the best. We're loving you to bits, and thank you for coming back. And please don't forget to come for another of our.
What's left to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Have a look at that.